Okay, let's talk about this ad from Calista MedSpa in Chicago. Now, to be fair, it's not awful. It's got some nice features, right? We've got um, hydrofacial, LED therapy, and oxygen infusion, right? All things clients might be curious about. But here's the thing: this ad leads with the procedure, not the payoff. Or we're missing the emotional hook. Where's the transformation? Where's the moment that makes someone stop scrolling and think, that's what I need right now? It opens with ready for glowing skin that turns heads, right? Not bad, but that's a pretty worn out hook. We've all heard it before. It's beauty industry wallpaper. Then it drops into a list of features, right? Again, solid services, but too technical too early. Also, where's the urgency, the scarcity? You got, one small limited spots mentioned here at the bottom, right? That should be higher up and louder. And don't get me started on the call to action. There is none. Secure yours now, right? Next to an address and a phone number. That's friction. No one wants to call in 2025. You want DMs, you want clicks, you want a call to action that actually lives where people scroll. So let's fix it. We're going to use our $97 ad rewrite playbook, and here's how we're going to rebuild this glow and detox facial ad line by line. So I'm going to take a screenshot of the ad here, put it in my document just so I have it. And we're only going to focus on copy and the headline. All right. So the first thing we want to do is we want to set this up, set the tone with local relevance and a deep emotional payoff. So we're going to say, hey, Chicago, does your skin need a reset? Right. This feels timely, personal, and emotionally loaded. We've all been there. Get that hydrated, fresh faced glow that turns heads and drops compliments, right? Now the viewer imagines themselves walking out glowing and getting noticed. Just 169 this week only. Limited bookings left, right? We took the original price and gave it urgency. This week only tells them to move now. Think detoxed pores, smooth tech, detox pores, comma, smooth textures, and glow you can feel. Right, this is rhythm plus sensory. This equals dopamine for the brain. All in one Lux. No downtime treatment. Designed by facial pros. Right, it sounds elegant but accessible. Now we're going to add in some scarcity, so only 9 spots left this week. Once they're gone, they're gone. It forces urgency while making the viewer feel like they're lucky to have seen the ad. You walk out radiant. People notice. You smile. All right, we're giving them a future snapshot they want to step into. Hydrofacial, LED, and oxygen all in one because your skin deserves the works. Right now it's not features, it's a treat. Comment glow and we'll DM you the link to book. This is a way easier call to action than calling or navigating a website. New clients only, and only while spots last. All right, now we're gonna go into our headlines here. So the first headline will say fresh faced glow for 169, and then Chicago glow facial deal. All right, so let's read the ad copy real quick. So, hey Chicago, does your skin need a reset? Get that hydrated, fresh face glow that turns heads and drops compliments. Just $169 this week only. Limited bookings left. Think detox pores, smooth textures, and glow you can feel. All in one Lux, no downtime treatment, designed by facial pros. Only 9 spots left this week. Once they're gone, they're gone. You walk out radiant, people notice. You smile. Hydrofacial, LED, and oxygen all in one because your skin deserves the works. Comment glow and we'll DM you the link to book. New clients only and only while supplies last. And the headlines are fresh face glow for $169, Chicago Glow facial deal. So this rewrite transforms the ad from feature heavy and flat to emotion first, benefit driven and socially native. We flipped the order, started with emotion, built to the offer, then stacked sensory and urgency triggers. The call to action is now scroll friendly, frictionless, and actually fun to follow. Most importantly, we made the viewer feel the transformation before they even book. Let's be honest, that's what gets clicks. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.